Thank you, Dr. Devan, for this interview and welcome to IICT 2025. So, how has been your experience at the Innovation in Cardiac Therapeutics 2025 and what were your major takeaways from the event?
Yeah, major takeaways are like latest we are learning today, like the field of coronary angioplasty. So I'm moderating today. It's a low in exposure of dye. Sometimes we give dye for doing PTCA. Before PTCA we do coronary angiography. So we give dye. So visualize that. So that causes kidney damage sometimes. So today we are learning how low our concentration this can be done, and other things. What are the latest drug eluting stents? What are the dissolving? They get dissolved automatically. The stents and the newer procedures, the visualization of the intima inside of the arteries with the latest OCT techniques. So and so forth. Many new things we'll be learning today. Yeah.
Okay. So, we are seeing a clear shift from advanced non-invasive assessments
Yes.
to highly complex interventional therapies.
Yeah.
How is the evolution helping clinicians make faster, safer, and more precise treatment outcomes?
Plus, initially, many procedures we were doing, these were invasive, like changing of aortic walls. So we had to cut open. Now we are doing it with angioplasty only, with the non-invasive techniques. We just inside the catheter, we have the wall and just place it. So these were done many years back, but refining, these are refined procedures now, and many other procedures we are doing which were unthinkable.
Okay.
Now we say, like in surgery, you do minimal invasive surgery. In anything, you can access brain, your nose, and anything, and most of the operations can be done with minimal incision, except one operation, which is cesarean. You can't deliver baby.
Yes.
Otherwise, we are doing so. Likewise, in surgery, we are doing in minimal. Like in non-invasive, technology is going leaps and bounds. So we are we were thinking about cardiac surgeries few years back. Now we're doing all those procedures, non-invasively.
Okay. So, what one message you would like to give to the young cardiac doctors attending the event today?
Yeah, it's fast evolving field. So that's why no wonder that this year NEET PG medicine. I think majority people have taken medicine. Why medicine? They want to take later on in the DM, cardiology, and other fields. But it's evolving so fast, and with lifestyle, diseases catching up, and cardiac diseases are increasing leaps and bounds. So they should know, they should learn what is latest in the field. Like in India, it used to come many years after, but now we are, far ahead and equal to West in doing all these procedures.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.